safe to say I won't make it past 3 rings. Pretty done finding words to say to you after the beep. And I've waited patiently